Welcome to Choice Champions. The best delivery robe is probably one of the most essential items for expecting mothers, offering comfort and practicality during labor and delivery. Choosing the right robe can significantly impact your experience, providing ease of movement, modesty, and a sense of calm in the delivery room. In this video, we'll explore the top-rated delivery robes, helping you find the perfect one to support you through this incredible journey. Number 5. Frida Mom Labor and Postpartum Kit Gift Set. This kit includes everything a new mom needs to prepare for labor and delivery. It's designed to provide comfort and support during this special time. It's a must-have for any expecting mother. The kit offers overnight recovery after birth. It includes essentials for soothing relief and healing. This kit is designed to help her feel her best after delivery. Inside, you'll find a peri bottle, disposable underwear, ice maxi pads, witch hazel pad liners, perineal foam, and a toiletry bag. These items are carefully selected to provide comfort and care. This kit has everything she needs. It provides cold, soothing comfort and medicated pain relief after vaginal delivery. It's great for women healing from labor, perineal tears, stitches, or hemorrhoids. The kit is designed to help her heal and feel better. The gown is made of 100% viscose with snap closures, fitting waist 36 to 48 inches and bust 36 to 50 inches. The latex-free microfiber underwear fits waist 28 to 42 inches. This kit is created by Frida Baby, the makers of other popular baby care products. What we like. This kit has everything you need for labor and postpartum recovery. It includes essentials like a peri bottle, ice maxi pads, and healing foam. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to prepare for labor and ease your postpartum recovery, you should consider this. What people say. The gown is very soft, and has snaps down the back like a traditional hospital gown, but it also has snaps on the front for nursing. The peri bottle included with this has an angled nozzle, and is easier to spray than the standard bottle. The pads and underwear are nicer than the standard hospital ones, and the icy pads that use snaps were lifesavers. Number 4. Kindred Bravely 3-in-1 Labor and Delivery Gown. This gown is designed for ultimate comfort during labor and delivery. It's made with soft, breathable fabric, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the process. This versatile gown serves 3 purposes: labor, delivery, and postpartum. It provides easy access for fetal monitoring and skin-to-skin contact. It's a practical choice for every stage. The gown is designed with hospital stays in mind. It offers easy access for medical professionals and provides coverage and modesty. It's a great alternative to traditional hospital gowns. This gown features discreet nursing access. It makes breastfeeding easier and more comfortable for both you and your baby. It's a thoughtful design for new mothers. This gown combines style and functionality. It allows you to feel confident and comfortable during this special time. It's a great choice for any expecting mother. What we like. This gown is designed to be versatile, functioning as a labor, delivery, and nursing gown. The hospital-friendly design ensures comfort and ease of use during your stay. If you value convenience and practicality in a hospital setting, you should consider this. What people say. The design of this gown is brilliant, easy Velcro in all the important places, for nursing, for skin-to-skin, for epidural if needed. I love the easy access in the front to feed my baby or do skin-to-skin, and it was an ease to Velcro it back after. The Velcro and buttons in the front and back made the constant checking of my incision, pressing on my stomach, shots in my sides, and general ability to take on and off as well as breastfeed pumps so much easier and more comfortable with this gown instead of the gross hospital one. Number 3. Ruffle Strap Labor and Delivery Gown Black. This gown is designed for ultimate comfort during labor and delivery. It features a stylish ruffle strap design and is made with soft, breathable fabric. The gown is designed to make you feel comfortable. The loose fit allows for easy movement, and the soft fabric feels gentle against your skin. It's not just comfortable, it's also stylish. The black color is classic and versatile, and the ruffle straps add a touch of elegance. This gown is perfect for your delivery day. It's easy to put on and take off, and it provides the coverage you need. Choose this gown for a comfortable and stylish labor and delivery experience. You'll feel confident and at ease throughout your special day. What we like. This gown features a stylish design with ruffle straps, making you feel good during labor. It is designed for a comfortable fit. If you like to feel confident and stylish during labor, you should consider this. What people say. The gown has snaps down the back, which is great for epidurals. The robe is soft and comfortable. The gown is easy to put on and take off. Number 2. Ekouaer 3-in-1 Maternity Nursing Gown. This gown is designed to support you through labor, delivery, and postpartum recovery. It's a versatile 3-in-1 solution, offering comfort and functionality during this special time. It's the perfect companion for your journey. The gown is specifically designed for hospital use, making it easy for medical professionals to assist. The short sleeves and practical design ensure comfort and ease of movement. It's a thoughtful choice for your delivery day. This dress is also a nursing-friendly option, providing easy access for breastfeeding. The design allows for discreet and comfortable nursing. It's a practical and comfortable choice for new mothers. After delivery, this gown transforms into comfortable sleepwear. The soft fabric and relaxed fit will help you rest and recover. It's a gentle and supportive garment for those early days. Ekouaer understands the needs of mothers, and this gown reflects that. It's a blend of practicality, comfort, and style. You can rely on it to support you through every stage. What we like. This gown serves as a labor and delivery gown, a nursing dress, and sleepwear. It offers easy access for breastfeeding. If you are looking for a versatile and practical option for both labor and postpartum, you should consider this. What people say. The gown is soft and comfortable. The robe has pockets, which is very convenient. The gown is easy to put on and take off. Number 1. Ekouaer Maternity Nursing Gown and Robe Set. This elegant gown is designed for expecting and new mothers. It offers comfort and convenience with its double-layered design, perfect for breastfeeding. The soft lace adds a touch of sophistication. The set includes a matching robe with 3/4 sleeves. It's ideal for lounging and provides easy access for nursing. This set is both practical and stylish for everyday wear. The nightgown features a double-layered design for discreet nursing. It provides support and coverage, making it easy to feed your baby. You'll find it comfortable and convenient. Made with soft materials, this set ensures maximum comfort. It's gentle on the skin and perfect for sensitive areas. You'll love how it feels. This set combines style and functionality. It's designed to make your life easier during this special time. It's a must-have for any new or expecting mother. What we like. This set includes a gown and a robe, perfect for both labor and postpartum. The lace design adds a touch of elegance. If you like a luxurious and coordinated look for your hospital stay and beyond, you should consider this. What people say. It's very soft, comfortable, works great to breastfeed in. The design is well thought out and works well while nursing and pumping. It is comfortable, and soft, and cool to the skin. Robe has pockets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.